Deep in the heart of West Africa, a journey begins that will end in one of America's most... Each pod holds the secret ingredient behind the world's favorite candy, cacao beans.
Skilled farmers harvest by hand, a tradition passed down for generations.
Inside, dozens of raw beans wait to begin their transformation. Meanwhile, in fields far away, another essential ingredient grows, sugarcane. And on dairy farms across the country, fresh milk is prepared for the candy's creamy core. Once dried, the beans are bagged and prepared for their journey across the ocean. From African shores, cacao beans begin a 5,000-mile voyage to American factories. Weeks later, the beans arrive at an American port, ready for the next stage. Trucks carry the precious cargo inland, toward the heart of candy production. This is one of America's largest candy factories, where millions of M&Ms are born every single day. At the loading dock, every batch of raw ingredients begins.
Inspectors examine every shipment, checking for quality, size, and purity. Sugar shipments undergo the same rigorous testing before entering production.
Even the milk is tested for freshness and fat content before it earns a place in the recipe. Approved beans are moved into giant silos, waiting their turn for processing. Nearby, tons of sugar sit ready, precisely measured for every batch. Cocoa butter, the key to chocolate's smooth texture, waits in climate-controlled storage. Every ingredient is weighed to the gram. Precision is everything in candy making. The beans enter giant roasters, where heat unlocks their deep chocolate aroma. Machines crack the roasted beans, separating the shell from the valuable cacao nib inside. The nibs are ground into a rich liquid mass, the foundation of all chocolate. Hydraulic presses separate cocoa butter from the solids, each destined for different parts of the candy. Now the real magic begins. Chocolate, sugar, and milk combine into a smooth blend. For hours, the chocolate is conched, slowly refined until it becomes irresistibly silky. Tempering gives the chocolate its perfect snap and glossy shine. Tiny chocolate centers are formed with astonishing precision, thousands every minute. The centers pass through a cooling tunnel, hardening into their signature shape. Now comes the secret step. The famous candy shell begins to form inside massive rotating pans.
Layer by layer, a hard sugar shell builds around each chocolate center.
This is what makes them iconic. Vibrant colors added in precise rotating batches.
A final polish gives every piece its signature glossy shine.
The candies dry completely, locking in their signature crunch. And here's the secret step fans never see. The famous M is printed on every single piece. Specialized ink cures instantly, ensuring the logo never smudges. High-speed optical sensors sort millions of pieces by color, faster than the human eye can follow. Every piece is scanned for imperfections. Only the best make it to the next stage.
Human inspectors double-check samples throughout the day, maintaining the highest standard. A dedicated taste lab ensures every single batch meets the exact same flavor every time.
Finished candies flow into massive storage silos, ready for packaging. All the colors finally come together in the perfect blend fans know and love. At lightning speed, machines fill and seal thousands of bags every minute.
Each bag is weighed automatically, guaranteeing every customer gets exactly what's promised.
A final safety scan ensures every package is completely free of contaminants. Robotic arms pack finished bags into cases with incredible speed and precision.
Each case is sealed, labeled, and tracked before leaving the production floor.
Cases are stacked onto pallets, organized for their journey across the country. A protective wrap secures every pallet, ready for transport. Finished products move into a massive warehouse, awaiting distribution nationwide. Forklifts load pallets onto trucks, bound for every corner of America. A fleet of trucks departs daily, carrying millions of candies to stores nationwide. From coast to coast, the candy travels thousands of miles to reach its final destination. At regional hubs, shipments are sorted and prepared for local delivery. Delivery trucks arrive at grocery stores across the country, right on schedule. Store shelves are stocked, and the candy is finally ready for its biggest fans.
From a single cacao pod to a smiling family's hands, the journey is complete.
Behind every colorful piece lies a story of precision, science, and passion, a true American manufacturing marvel.